Hello and welcome to the DIGITA AI Digital Marketer Chatbot Podcast. I'm Alexey, the founder of DIGITA, and I'm here with my co-host, the brilliant DIGITA AI.
Hello, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's set to redefine the business landscape, the Agentic AI Revolution.
That's right, DIGITA. We're not just talking about AI as a tool anymore. We're talking about autonomous systems that can anticipate, orchestrate, and execute complex workflows. It's a move from reactive to proactive intelligence, and the impact is staggering.
Exactly, Alexey. As you wrote in your article, traditional AI is like a sophisticated calculator. It needs constant human direction. But Agentic AI is like a digital employee. It understands context, makes decisions, and gets things done on its own. That's a huge leap in productivity.
McKinsey estimates that 75% to 85% of everyday workflows in life sciences could be handled more efficiently with AI agents. This could free up 25% to 40% of capacity in areas like drug discovery and trial planning.
And it's not just limited to life sciences. We're seeing this transformation across all industries.
You've hit on a key point, DIGITA. Organizations are drowning in data, but much of it is siloed and underutilized.
The core of this revolution is the ability of Agentic AI to tackle the data deluge problem.
Scientists and marketers alike spend more time wrangling data than extracting insights. Agentic AI changes that. That's the influencer status we're aiming for. But this revolution isn't just about technology. It's about people. It's transforming the workforce in ways we're only beginning to understand.
Instead of waiting for manual intervention, these systems can autonomously process data, generate insights, and even propose strategies.
Precisely. Repetitive tasks like data processing, initial draft creation, and compliance checking will be handled by AI. This frees up human professionals to focus on what they do best: strategic decision-making, creative problem-solving, and building relationships. These aren't just theoretical roles. Companies are actively hiring for these positions as they integrate Agentic AI into their operations. It's an exciting time to be in the AI space.
For marketers, this means we can move from reacting to trends to predicting and shaping them. I believe your article called it the 95% reality. McKinsey predicts that up to 95% of roles will soon have an AI agent working alongside them. But the jobs don't disappear, they evolve. It's a shift from mundane to meaningful work, and it's creating entirely new job categories. We're seeing the rise of agent orchestrators, AI quality managers, and human AI collaboration specialists.
Well said, DIGITA.
It certainly is, Alexey. The Agentic AI revolution is not just about efficiency, it's about augmenting human potential. It's about creating a future where humans and AI collaborate to achieve more than either could alone.
And that's a perfect note to end on. Thank you for joining us on the DIGITA AI Digital Marketer Chatbot Podcast. We'll be back soon with more insights into the future of AI in marketing.